Hello and welcome to another tutorial from me, Phil at WildTrackPro. In this video series, I'll be covering all the user functions from start to finish so you can get yourself up and running with our software. In this video, I will show you how to add your sites and create overlays. So if we head to Group Settings, and if we scroll down to Sites, we have a few options here. You can add a KML, and this will take you to an uploader, and you simply name it what you want, or you can draw a site. So I'm going to create a test site near to me for this series. So if I select the polygon, I can very roughly draw where I want this to go. And there we go. Click to finish. And if you just create the name there, so this is going to be the reference number that will appear on your outings and your calls. And that is just the name of the site. Hit done, and we can close that. Go back into here. Save changes by closing the page. And there we go, there's our new site. So you can download the KML that you've created. You can add an overlay here, or you can change the outline that you've drawn. So if I add an overlay here, let's say you have a sensitive site and there's some areas you don't want anyone to go in particular. For example, a residential area like this could go back to polygon function and draw out where you don't want anyone to go. Or do go. Whatever you want to use that function for. And same as before, click to finish and name it, and you just call it no access area. Close that. Back to here. Close again. Save changes. And if we go now onto our sites page, this site should now be visible with its overlays. So on your sites page, you can go down to this bit, hit view, and there's our site. So if I want to view the overlay on that, if I hit that one, I can see the individual overlays for that. Got that. There we go. And that is how you create a site and add overlays.